Hi, CHM here. Today we're gonna talking about what Nong Nan have been prepared and what's her experience before she go to study abroad. But before we start, please subscribe the channels and click likes on the video. Yeah, how did you prepare before you go to study abroad?
Yeah, so mainly I prepared three things. First is to confirm or to see what's the ranking of the university.
That's one important thing.
Yeah, it's like before you go, you know which field you're going, so you just go to Google. For example, for me, I studied marketing, right? Yeah, so I will type in Google top universities in
Top university
rankings in marketing.
That's good one. The first suggestion. And the second one?
The second one is after you see the rankings of your universities, then you go in, you choose a few, of course, because there are so many rankings. Then you choose a few that you say you want to go, or
definitely people gonna choose the
highest top 10 universities. So after you had selected your universities, you just go into different university and go through their subjects.
The subjects and the course.
Yeah, the courses
what
and
they're
stuff.
teaching you.
Yeah, what you're going to learn, and if it's going to make you learn something new. Because sometimes if for undergrad you have already studied these courses, then it seems like a waste to go to a postgrad and study the same thing that you have studied before. So yeah, that's also important.
And the third thing.
And the last thing that I prepared is that after I went through the university rankings and the courses, and of course I have to see if that university is in a safe town.
Okay, safe town, safe area.
Safe city, safe residential area. Like for example, for me, I went to Bath. I looked up the crime rate, and Bath turned out to be one of the safest city in the UK. Yeah, so that really.
So how about London?
I don't know.
Okay, I don't know as well. That's the way you prepare. And how about language things or anything else that
the language I didn't have any problem that much, but yes, going to take the IELTS test, it's a bit of a stress out.
Each different university, they require different IELTS score. So you have to prepare yourself to take course of IELTS. Okay, in your case, you don't have a problem with the language. I can share this with myself. I would say that you can try to take a IELTS test first, and then after that, you can try to apply the course straight away. If your IELTS score is not get to the level they accept it, they will ask you to join the what you call English academies of that university. So that is the other choice that you should do, because
for the pre-course.
It's like the pre-course. It's better than you go to UK's or anywhere else and then take the language course or anything by yourself, because that is not the academics English course. That's just general English course. It's different from what you have to do. And the other points that I'm gonna point out is the course in UK. They have two types of courses. One is the research course, and the other one is general study course. So the research course, you have to do a research. You have much more free time, but definitely it's difficult than the general course, because you have to
read more.
Read more.
And read more articles. Journals, academic journals, which is really hard, because I can relate to that, because before here in Thailand, you just need to read the textbook and you get a good grade on your test. But in the UK, for example, you have to read so many academic journals just to go to take a test. Because if you just read the textbook, they will just mark you as pass only.
I heard that you got distinction, right?
No, that's
Is
shit.
it?
I got
That's your
merit.
friend.
I got like 68.
That's almost like quite close,
Yeah,
isn't it?
because like for England, distinction or เกียรตินิยมอันดับหนึ่งนะคะ it's 70%. Yeah, and 60 and above.
So you got the second
Yeah.
distinction.
It's the second.
Wow.
It's called merit.
I can't remember mine. I think I got like I don't know because
70.
different, right?
I really hate it.
I study art. I study art. If you're gonna go to study art, what you have to prepare is your portfolio. Second, if you have been worked before, that's good. You can provide them the evidence of the way you have been worked. That good because they quite happy to accept the people who have been working and got a good portfolio. But mine is different. I studied IT before, and I changed my field to art. So I got a few portfolio by myself that I make it for 1 year.
So that's the art. But for me, for example, because I went for Master of Science or Master of Science Marketing. So what happened is that you don't have to prepare any portfolio,
Yeah.
but you have to
Great.
write SOP.
SOP as well.
Yes, statement of purpose. And
No, I have to as well. I think.
yeah, but I don't have to.
Oh no, I don't have to. I don't have
Really?
to for art. I don't
Yeah,
have
but we have to write SOP, and I want to really emphasize how important is your SOP, because if you really write it really good, then you have the chance to earn a scholarship.
One thing to if you want to write
Yeah.
a good SOP, you can consult with her. You can just put like your Facebook lines or anything.
I just want to really emphasize the point that SOP really makes or
I heard
break
that you got a scholarship, didn't it?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, she got a scholarship. That's a really clever one. And is that because of your SOP?
Both actually, because like my academic from my undergrad was quite good, and then when they go through the SOP, they are a bit interested, and together combined with my undergrad grade.
So it's like many things combined
Yeah,
together.
many things combined.
They mix up and then
and
choose it.
and they select me as one of the people to send me like another like mini assessment,
Yeah, but
because
that's
they sent me like a list of questions, like 3 questions that, why do you want the scholarship, and if you get the scholarship, then how you're going to use this experience to reshape your future or something like that. So it's based on essays, a bit of writing and stuff
Okay.
like that.
So don't forget to subscribe my channel and like button. See you next video. Thank you.